You get on stage, you begin to sing beautifully, but all of a sudden, you begin to gasp for air. Your voice is shaking and you don't know why. My dear, in this video, I am going to explain why that is happening, and I'm also going to show you the secrets that performers use on stage in order to manage anxiety, in order to manage that kind of feeling, in order to sing with good breath support and breath control. Hi guys, my name is Grace Ofoka from Graciedion Media Music and Vocal Institute. We are the best in helping you to find your voice. So if you're a singer or you're a passionate singer, you want to be able to share your voice with the world, then we are the best. We're going to help you with our Find Your Voice signature program. Let's get into it. Now, let me describe you. You love to sing, you perform, you sing in the church, you sing at home, you just love to share your voice. But anytime you sing, you just run out of breath. Your voice is gone. You feel like you want to gasp air. My dear, if that is you, your problem is not your voice. It's not your lungs. Neither is it your breath. Your problem is your technique. And we are going to fix that technique today. Now, here's the science behind what has been happening to you. Studies reveal that singers, professional singers who switch from chest breathing to core breathing actually significantly improve their pitch range. Because if you've been having problem with your high notes, sometimes the problem is not just because of the way you distribute. The problem is, are you engaging your core? So singers who switch from using just chest breathing to core breathing, they improve significantly. You can see the improvement. It's not me that said it. I'm not the one who said that. It's science and it is proven. So how can you actually build your core to be able to sing effectively? Now, I call what we're going to do the core lock. You're going to place your hand here, okay, on your belly here. Then you will breathe in and watch it expand. And then release it. How to find that core region? You can try and laugh. You see that once you laugh, you automatically engage here. So you have to engage it when you want to sing. So let's do it again. You breathe in, fill up this region, hold it, and then release. Let's do it again. In, feel it expand here, then release. Switch to again. Hold, release. Hello, it's me. In, release. Amazing place. Engaging your core. Now use it from laughter. Amazing grace. Sometimes I would even take some of my students out. We go to watch professional singers at concerts. And we're not just watching to enjoy ourselves. We are watching their core engagement. Because when you breathe, the air goes down in and fills the space created by your diaphragm. And then when you're about to sing, it begins to pull the air from that space out of your lungs, and then it comes out a sound. So when you engage that, you're likely to sing with good breath support. It doesn't end at just breathing in and releasing it as. You would now apply it to songs. For example, you know the Celine Dion, near, far, wherever you are. I'm engaging it. So watch me. Near, far, wherever you are. So watch how this place is engaging. Then I'm going to try out Whitney Houston. And I will always love you. Watch how I'm engaging it. If I do not engage it to be like, and I, and that's where I will feel pain here. So you need to engage your core. That's why we call it the core lock. Now that you know how to engage your core, I promise you that there are some secret body tricks that performers use on the stage. And I don't think I have seen any vocal, I've seen anybody put it in their vocal lesson video here on YouTube. And so I'm going to show you some of those tricks. When I show you those tricks, you'll be like, oh, so that's what they were doing there. I'm going to reveal it. Because those tricks are going to help you to steal more breath, get more breath, and it will feel like, wow, this person never really took air. Okay? One of those tricks is by bending your knees. So like, and I will always love you. Okay? I was able to use that to steal breath. Another one is, and I will always love you. You must have seen performers do that, right? Then, okay, for instance, let me use Sinach. You are here. You are here. Now watch. I'm going to use another trick. And that trick is they usually spread their hands. You are here. Moving in the mist. I worship you. I worship you. You are here, touching every heart. I worship you. I worship you. Hey, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. Oh, waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God, that is who you are. You see what I did there? That is who you are. So you must have seen a lot of performers using these tricks one way or the other, right? So I'm not going to leave you there. I want you to do these things when you go home, when you finish watching this video, because this is a trick I give my students, and I'm giving you, that I give them, that when they do it, it seems like their singing is well connected, their singing is effortless, they're singing like professionals who perform on stage, who really charge money for their voice, who charge to be able to perform. Okay, so you try it out, and when you finish trying it out, I want you to comment on how it worked for you. And also, I want to know, is there a problem that you face with your voice? Is it that your voice cracks? Is it that you have high notes? Is it that your high notes are shaky? Is it that your voice is always hurting you when you sing? If you have any challenge, just drop it on the comment section, and I will try my best to do a video specifically to help you to sing better. My name is Grace Ofoka from Graciedion Media, and here we help you to find your unique singing voice. If you want to learn more about your voice, then you need to watch this next video.